Introducing the Ventura EC3 electronic city bike by Hiland. Featuring a sleek frame 700C alloy with a stunning white silver color and dark gray color. Equipped with a 700C alloy fork, powered by a middle 36V 200W motor for smooth rides. Controlled with precision by our advanced controller. Stay informed with the LCD display integrated in the top frame before the stem. Enjoy long-lasting rides with a battery seamlessly integrated into the frame. Shift gears effortlessly with the derailleur 8S. Roll smoothly on premium tires. Stop on a dime with hydraulic disc brakes. Proudly made by Hiland, the Ventura EC3.